I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not someone who got rich quick overnight and wants to sell you a course. I'm a guy who spent years making almost every mistake you can make in the market. And I finally figured out a system that actually works. And I think it's time to start talking about it. Here's a preview of what's coming. I once made $12,000 during an FOMC meeting in the matter of seconds. Then I gave half of it back the same afternoon. I got scammed early on. Lost $100. But what that $100 taught me, I still think about it today. I followed influencers who swore you could get rich overnight selling puts on meme stocks. I almost got buried. And then I found a stock at $280 a share through a tool I paid for. That I would have never found on my own. That stock ran well past $1,100. That's the journey. And I'm going to walk through all of it. The wins, the losses, the embarrassing trades, and the framework I built that changed everything. I've been wanting to tell this story for a while now. I just needed to get my setup right. Lights, audio, camera, the whole studio situation is finally dialed in. So, no more excuses. Episode 1 drops soon. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if any of what I said sounds familiar, drop a comment. I have a feeling I'm not the only one who's been through this. See you soon.